Tired of your Word documents looking like a jumbled mess? Let's fix that by adding lines for visual clarity. First, let's explore the good old ribbon method. Head over to the Home tab, look for the Paragraph section. See that little icon that looks like a window? That's the Borders tool. Click the drop-down arrow next to it at the very bottom. You'll find horizontal line, give that a click and bam, a line appears. Now, for the super speedy keyboard shortcut. Simply type 3 hyphens, that's dash, dash, dash. Then, press the Enter key. Word magically transforms those hyphens into a solid line spanning the width of your document. Want something a little different? Try typing 3 asterisks, that's star, 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 and hit Enter. This gives you a dotted line, perfect for a subtler separation. Let's not forget the underscore. Type 3 underscore s a euro. Y euro and press Enter. This creates a bold, thick line. Finally, for ultimate control, let's dive into borders and shading. Go to the Design tab now, look for Page Background and select Page Borders. At the very bottom, you'll see Borders and Shading. Click it. Make sure you're on the Borders tab here. You can customize the style, color, and width of your line under Setting. Select None, then click on the preview to insert a horizontal line. Play around with the options to get the exact look you want. Click OK, and your customized line is added. So there you have it. Multiple ways to insert lines in Word. From simple shortcuts to detailed customization. Now go forth and create beautifully organized documents.